Hey, it's Michael again from Clark and Aldine. Hopefully at this point you've seen our video on door casing and our video on base molding, because today we're going to show you the final step in the process, which is shoe molding. Now there's all kinds of different shoe moldings you can choose, but our process will work for any of them. We're going to show you what material we use, how to cut it, and how to prep it for the best final results. So, as with the others, come on inside. I'll show you how it's done. As with any project, you want to make sure to have the proper tools and safety equipment such as eye and ear protection ready to go before you start. Before you start cutting any shoe molding, we recommend taping the floor against the base molding where your shoe will be installed. This makes for easy cleanup and crisp lines. More on that later. Choose a desired wall to start on and measure your length. Whenever measuring for an outside corner, remember to mark for your miter cut correctly. Once you have your first piece cut, push one end firmly to the corner of your wall against the installed base molding and install the shoe using a brad nailer with at least 1.5 inch brad nails. Continue this process until you have all of your shoe molding installed. Once all of your shoe molding has been installed, you want to caulk all the seams with a paintable interior caulk. Just run a small bead along each seam and wipe smoothly with your finger. And if you'd like to use a wet painter's cloth, you can do that as well. For filling your brad nail holes and mitered edges, we recommend Bondo or Drydex. Either option works great and can be applied using a small putty knife. Allow the proper dry time, sand them smooth with a palm or angled sander, and fill any areas that may need it once more before painting. Make sure to vacuum and clean your space prior to painting. Once clean, grab a really nice angled brush and your paint and begin painting all of your moldings. Your final coat should be smooth with even brush strokes in one direction from end to end. And now for the fun part. Once the paint is fully dry, take a utility knife at a 45-degree angle and start cutting the tape at the seam with your blade resting against the edge of the shoe molding and on the floor. Peel the cut tape from end to end and enjoy a crisp, clean line.